All right, guys, let's do number 1. 480 divided by 32. So we're going to do 480 divided by 32. And we're going to go step by step. Don't want to do 32 into 480. I want to go 32 into 4. Does 32 go into 4? How many times will 32 go into 4? It doesn't. So it's a 0. And I'm going to subtract because 0 times 32 is 0. Right? Now I'm going to bring down my 8. So now I have 48. How many times will 32 go into 48? Well, 32 times 2 is 64. That's too big. So we're going to have to stick with 1. 32 times 1. So 32 times 1 is 32. Subtract 32. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down my 0. Now, how many times will 32 go into 160? Now, I have a shortcut. And it's kind of, you look at it like this. You look at you take away that digit, the last digit, and you take away the last digit. How many times will 3 go into 16? Well, 3 times 5 is 15. That's close enough. 3 times 6 is 18. That's too big. So I'm going to stick with 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm going to get rid of that back. And I'm going to say 32 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 5 times 3 is my 15. Plus that 1 gives me 16. So therefore, my little shortcut worked. Sometimes it'll give you close. Sometimes it'll go over. All right? So 32 times 5 is 160. So what's 480 divided by 32? 480 divided by 32 is 15. You don't need to write the 0 in front of 15. All right, let's try another problem.